Welcome to UMA Enterprise, manufacturer and exporter of lathe, slotting, and power press machines. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in the year 1995 at Rajkot. Our products are well known under the brand name Lathe. We are backed by immense domain experience and expedite delivery schedules. Pipavav Shipyard Limited and Metal Core Limited are some of our esteemed clients. We are specialized in manufacturing lathe, steel slotting, and CNC machines. Our lathe machines are in huge demand across the global markets. Steel slotting machines offered by us are extremely reliable. Our industrial machines are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. We also provide CNC machines that are best in the industry amongst others. Along with that, we offer lathe parts that are available at industry-leading prices. To know more about us, please visit our website www.umamachinetools.com.